Hi there. In this video we'll look at creating groups. So groups are sets of users or what we might call staff members, and you can set permissions for them and which forms they're allowed to access as well. So if we just click on, we're on the main dashboard as usual, the way that we get logged in. And we're just going to click on groups down the left hand side. I've got some groups already, but we'll show you how to make a new one. So as usual, we go towards the top right and click on the plus icon. We're going to name the group, so mobile app users, I'm going to name this. We set how they can log in, so if they are able to set a password or PIN number. Note that if they are using the mobile app, you'll have to allow them to use a PIN number. It was designed to help them be able to get into the app quicker. And then you just set the permissions for what you'd like that group to be able to see. So maybe you want them to see users but not be able to edit them, or maybe you don't want them to see users at all, so you can just leave those off. We might want them to be able to view customers and forms, but again, don't want them to be able to edit it. Might not want them to be able to access groups, don't want them to be changing any permissions. Maybe they're going to be using tablets in the mobile app and assigning devices to customers, so you want them to be able to do that. And again, maybe they're going to be working with staff members in the field who are using the beacons or carers cards. And again, you're wanting to allow them to be able to send kind of user codes and such. So we'll turn that on as well. Once you've done that, click submit and your new group is now created. So we can see mobile app users here now. And then, so first thing we need to do is add some people into that group. So we just click users. Maybe we want to add a few people here. Just pop little ticks in on this checkbox along the left hand side and then click on the cog, assign to group, and we're going to assign these to the mobile app users. Now we've got documentation that we're only that they're only wanting to be able to see. We don't want them to see all of our forms, so we click on forms. Again, so let's just use our my new form that we created on step 1, and then maybe we also want to have like kind of a service user information form, and these guys on the mobile app, they're going to be reporting incidents as well. So let's just click incident report form, grant access, mobile app users. There we go, submit. And now if we go back to groups, look at mobile app users, we can see the permissions that we set, so we can change those if needed, and we've now got a list of the users in there, so we've always got reference of who's in that group, and we know which forms they're allowed to see as well. Okay, thank you.